Hi everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to reveal the newest Softlex Company Design Kit for TGBE or the Great Bead Extravaganza 2025 Midsummer Market? And their theme was Carnival. I love the Softlex Company Design Kit. They're packaged so beautifully and cute. Just perfect, like for a gift or a gift for yourself. We have a list of everything that is inside. Not familiar with the Softlex Company Design Kits. They are a monthly kit, and then sometimes for TGBE, or they'll do a collaboration for like Customer Appreciation Month. They'll do a special kit. So a few months of the year, you do get a double kit. And down below in the description, I will go ahead and leave a link for the playlist for all other design kits for softbooks. So you can see, you get a little sampling of everything that is inside. We have our Softflex wire, and then we have their craft wire in silver. So you can do some wire wrapping with that one. Your 2x2s, some findings, clasp and ear wires, and then you have a ceramic star beads, check glass elephant beads, and a Bedoria Carnival crystal mix. And the last three items I mentioned will be available on kit day for TGBE when they unveil the newest kit. And then you do have some exclusive items, a check glass bead mix, and then some lampwork beads and a pendant, it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. And before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. So we have 20 of our 2x2s, and then our ear findings and our lobster claw. And then this is going to be our specialty component, a 33 millimeter silver partly flattened circle pendant. That's pretty. There was two of them you could make earrings. That's like the perfect size for an earring. And then we have our craft wire, which is craft wire non-tarnished silver and 22 gauge. It's like the perfect gauge to do any wire wrapping with. And then we have our Softflex wire in the quartz color. You get 10 yards of that. All the goodies. So we kind of have some specialty items mixed in here. Kind of looks like a three-ring circus right here with the three different bags of goodies. So we have our Bedoria Carnival bead mix. That's just beautiful. Perfect summer colors. And we have our mix of lampwork beads and then your ceramic beads. The ceramic beads look like what's on the Softflex Company live sales. And those are most Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. And also a link down below in the description, softflexcompany.com. They have wonderful ceramic beads. So these are our kind of exclusive items, it looks like, from our chip glass bead mix. And then we have our little elephants. How adorable are those? They're kind of like an opal color, so you can kind of see through them. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera. So beautiful. They're heavy too. That's really nice. But they're not too heavy for earrings. Make little elephant earrings. Oh, these are neat. I know they have a lot of unique check glass from Softlex Company live sale. So that's a really unique shape, and it's kind of got some stripes going through it. Then you can already start designing when you open up your Softlex Company design kit. Like those would be so cute for earrings. Maybe make a little tassel. And we have some pillow beads. So we have 4 elephants, and those will be available on July 16th. And the rest of them are just the bead mix for check glass bead mix. So these are just exclusive. Love these pillow beads. They had some in an earlier kit for spring. They're very unique. And they had some on the live sale. These look a little bit smaller. Some table cut beads, giant rondels. I just love these yellow ones. If anyone knows what shape this is, please comment down below. And then some top drill beads. I'm like in a metallic hot pink color. And then some pinch beads, and these are in the larger shape. And they're a beautiful, like olivine green, kind of an opal. And then some table cut, beautiful aqua. So those would pair just so well together. Beautiful mix. And then we have our other two to look at. So we have our ceramic bead mix and these beautiful lampwork beads. How cute. So this might be an assorted mix of the colors, and you get three of those. And then your beautiful ceramic star beads. Like some you get five of, like your yellows, and then your light greens, you get three. Super fun. And then they do have a large hole, so you can maybe do some bead weaving with it or pass the soft flex wire back through a few times. So super fun. And then three of the dark green, and then five of your aquas, four of your like magenta light purples, and then one dark purple. So super fun mix. Perfect for the carnival theme. It kind of just reminds me of like the stars you might see for the decoration for like a Ferris wheel or a merry-go-round. This was a super fun kit. I really love the theme of carnival for summertime. And last but not least, we have the Bedoria Carnival Crystal Mix. Super sparkly. If you wanted to sparkle, this is the perfect bead mix for you. I just love the bead mixes from Bedoria. They're just so beautiful, and you really do get a lot of beads in the bead mix. You can make like a necklace, earrings, even a bracelet. So we have they're like a little melon bead, but they're an AB, like a beautiful peridot color. So this is a perfect bead for next month for your August birthstone. And then you have this beautiful purple color, also with an AB. And then that one's more of just like a little rondel. And then you have another little melon bead with the aqua, and it's got that AB finish on it. And then our yellow is a round with a slight AB finish. It's more of like a shimmer than a complete AB coating. But it's so beautiful, very sparkly. I think this would be gorgeous as like a charm bracelet or a multi-strand necklace or bracelet. You're definitely gonna catch some attention with all this sparkle for sure. So pretty. You really do get a lot of beads in the Bedoria bead mix. This is just a fabulous kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza Midsummer Market from Softlex Company. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And I will link this design kit if it is still available down below. Have an awesome day.